came to the party a little late today, huh?
Yeah,
You're
this week
disappearing
is gonna
early
be
and you're coming late. What's up with that?
this
Busy,
week is gonna
busy,
be like that.
busy stuff.
Yeah.
It happens. I know you get family and stuff. So just are you holding COSM, right? What's your average in COSM? It's about to break, by the way. COSM any day.
Uh, Awesome. Yes, I have it in the long account.
Yeah. What's your average on it?
See,
How much? What's your average?
46 is my average.
46. So it was 55 this morning, okay?
Yeah, I see it. I see it. It piked up and fell
Yeah.
down.
Yep. NVNI. Are you holding NVNI?
Yeah. NVNI, no, I don't. NVNI.
Look at that. It's
Nope,
162% on the screen. Check it out. Check out the live
I
feed.
don't.
Z car is trading up and down.
Let's
Missed
see
an
if we
entry
got.
at 9:30. Might still come, but if it doesn't, it's fine. I thought they would do 9:40, so I put 9:42 and 9:80. Neither came. I got a little greedy. Well, it's still in a bull pattern, so let's see what happens. I added 500 more shares, guys, at 880. Goes to 820, I cover it. So out of NVNI, 15,000 shares, 11,000 is gone, okay? So it's only,
HWM, that's Howmet Aerospace, up 6.808%. Pre-market's $147
Nice,
a
very
share.
nice. You got 27 average.
Shares the company reported
Beautiful.
better than expected Q1 EPS results and issued
yeah.
Q2 adjusted EPS guidance above estimates and raised its FY25 adjusted EPS guidance as well. That is Kilo Whiskey Mike HWM.
WHKY. KIDZ. KIDZ. Kids is a good play, guys. Kids is a good play. Just we played it a couple days ago. It's a new stock though. We played it a couple days ago. We played it at wow, never mind. We played it at 4. There's 9.
You played recently, yes. 330 plus we played it, yep.
Yep. We played at 330 plus. Never mind on that. There's a move on Z car.
No locates on Z car.
Yeah, it's only 400k float. If you didn't get it in the morning, you're gonna struggle. Occasionally, if somebody's returning it, that's all you're gonna get. I entered again 938. So average is back at 916. So I'll be able to cut it if it goes down. If not, I have another ad at 984. Just hope that don't get it squeezed out. 970. That's perfect. So far, it's under plan. It's when they screw it up over the plan that would be the bad one. They're grinding it up though. I need a cut here. I need a cut.
GM, that is General Motors. The General Motors CFO conference call has said is including our JV partner made significant stride reducing inventory and costs. Fixed costs in 2025 to be roughly. GM CFO on a conference call.
Man, it's not letting me cut.
Also says inventory is
There we go. Come on.
9% of inventory at quarter end was comprised of model year 2025. Also saying that tariffs had a small impact
Nice.
the first quarter, and saying that scrutinizing the company's discretionary spending everywhere.
Nice cut. There you go. Finally let me cut, guys. Finally it let me cut. That was pretty nice, pretty sweet. Now I can move up and I will be able to add peacefully. Those cuts are important. Profit at 890 would be even fantastic. More fantastic. 865 would be really good profit. Come on. Now I'm going to keep only 40% size because considering it's 9 o'clock almost, it's at 820. My average is 939 at the moment. I'm about to add.
GM General Motors, their CFO at a conference call, says company is evaluating ways to help suppliers mitigate the tariff impact on their business.
Now average is 964. Now I'm gonna get it screwed up, probably. Come on down.
It's a super low float.
Super low float, 350K. But that's fine. Zcar has done this before. It'd be nice if I can get a cut. Now it's going to go up. Just don't do my stop. Come on, slam here. Nice. One more. Come on. One more. One more, come on.
GM General Motors, the GM CFO in a conference call, say the company expects $2 billion tariff impact on vehicle imports from South Korea, and also says
CCAR.
Expect North American pricing to be up 0.5 point to 1% up from prior guidance of down 1%
Come on. Big drop.
Hey, Raj,
Mm-hmm.
are you in a trade?
I am. I am in Z car. That's the
Okay.
only one
That's
that's out there. And I
that's
just
the
got a
one I
size
can.
cut.
All
I got a brilliant size
right.
cut.
I know it's been good.
Yeah, it has been good. Wow. Guys, this sucks, but this is stressful, but this is also good. This is also good. Freaking 2,000 shares, 979 average finally lets me cut. And guess what? Wow. This is.
Raj, kids not an entry yet.
Kids is just a wild one. I mean, it's a recent stock. There is no number till. But this is good actually. If you can take it, I think it should just drop. What's the news on kids? What's the news on kids?
I see no news on this.
So this is a good area. Go at 230, play up to 255. If you get burned, you get burned. I'm gonna take another 1500 out, so I'm just kind of safe. I'm gonna play only with about 800 shares right now on Z car. Not willing to risk it. Not willing to risk Z car. Guys, down
Kids
and
has
out
a
on
huge
Z car.
400 million equity purchase facility at the moment.
400 million equity purchase on kids.
Yeah.
Oh, that's big. Anyway, 930. Come on, get me down. 920. Time to take some profit. So, man, this thing has been making me work hard. I should have held my 2,000 shares now. I feel bad. But it did not take my stop, guys. Z-Car did not take my stop. So, can somebody find out more what this 400 million equity purchase is?
Can you post that, Rahul? I don't see that.
Unless there is a resolution on tariffs, we expect a high rate of tariff to impact fiscal 2026. Again, that's Echo Lima EL.
Because 230 is one of our favorite numbers too, by the way. Just so you guys know. If you want to play, it is 89. I mean, that if that is true, 400k equity purchase facility agreement, and with new stock being a new stock, I don't think I want to touch it. But if you're going to play it here. Get the locates at least, okay? Get the locates for the rest of the day. It looks pretty solid. We'll be able to recover 15 cents out of this one anytime. Anytime, so we'll make 10% out of KIDZ. That's plenty of volume, 10 million. This is looking to push. Meantime, let's get Z-Car out and done. Z-Car goes near 10, I am out. I'm not going to give him anything. I've worked my butt off on this one. It should get down to 840. From here, 840 is coming. Just so you guys know, Z-Car 840 is coming. This is your area of entry on KIDZ as well. Let's go 840. Come on, 7. Man, this would have been a perfect one had I held on my positions. Jesus. But I'll take anyway. 8% I will take it, guys. So, I'm up $3 on Z-Car, but hard way. Hard, difficult way. But I am up. I'm not getting beat. No way. Up 14K this morning as well. So I'm not getting beat at all. Not in the mood to get beat. The important part is, I'll show you guys, if you're watching my screen, important part is cutting your sizes, okay? So again, what happened here? Got in at 980. Where do you cut it? 920. You get in at 1020 and 1045. What's your average? 979. That is exactly what I posted. My average is 9, and now it's like 9%. So it's adding and cutting. The profit is here, but this time I have a very small size to make any profit whatsoever. 9 o'clock, guys, so I'll stay put with any more trades. So I will consider 2 or 3 wins out of Zcar. Obviously, the last one, size is not there, but the percentage is there. Kids is going to pay you from here all the way to $2. $2. If you're in it, $2. You can stop out at 58 if it does. You can add up to 35, 40. Should be really, really good. Fine, I'll take about 2,000 shares here. 3,000 shares. 221. I'm chasing KIDZ. KIDZ. I'll go with 7,000 shares. Let's see if I can do 238 average. 7,000 shares. I am in, guys, on a little more than 2,000 shares, 2,400 shares. I am in.
AFRM, that's a firm holding.
I am.
Strategic global partnership with UATP, their network of leading airlines, rail carriers, and travel agencies in the U.S., UK, and Canada. Shares up 1.49%. Pre-market is $50.50. That's Alpha Foxtrot Romeo Mike AFRM.
AFRM affirm. AFRM. Remember, that's another stock that we hold it long. AFRM. I haven't bought this in a long time. Okay, this thing, kids, is not behaving here. What? I mean, I gotta add. It's not. What do you mean not behaving?
Cardia. They have announced the first patient in the phase 3 randomized controlled double-blind CardiAMP-HF2 clinical trial. The company's lead cell therapy treatment of heart failure. Shares down 4.78% to $2.99 a share in pre-market. That is Bravo Charlie Delta Alpha.
Oh man, come on. Give me price or give me ad. One or the other. $8.90 on Zcar. Zcar should keep going down. Like I said, 860 is here. 860 is here. I just took 860, 11%, but now the size is just awful size because of 9 o'clock threat. What was the point of making your average so good if you couldn't even handle that? Shit. That just makes me mad. So KIDZ, just about to add, have not added yet. I'll get my average to 238 now. 237 actually, that's exactly what my average is. I'll cut it if it gets to 228. Now I am in with 8,000 shares. So I got some skin in the game now on KIDZ. Fuck, it's gonna go ruin our day. Not ruin our day, but still. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. 245, drop it from here. Give me a nice cut. Give me a nice cut. Z car, guys, is almost done. If it just drops a little bit more, you can actually chase it all the way to the 5. Wow, kids is 400 million equity purchase of some building, something. I don't know. That's not that good of a news. Need a drop here. I shouldn't be getting into 9 o'clock plays. You know what, guys? I'm gonna bail out right around my average. I'm gonna give them a couple of cents. I'm gonna bail out. I'm gonna bail out, guys. KIDZ. Now Z-car is done. Z-car is gone. It's out of the picture. It's gonna keep fading all day. Keep fading all day from here. I'm gonna add some size even on a drop. Kids, better bail out, otherwise it will stop you out. It's in the mood to move up. Right here, give them 3-4 cents, get out. Get out. Let it be. I am out. It is my average and I am out. Don't want to play that shit. I am out of KIDZ completely. Not even 100 shares. We will play this. So you have locates. You're gonna play this all day. You're gonna play this all day. KIDZ. You're gonna play it all day now, guys. I bailed out. I told you guys already. I have no position in it. I got all the way up to 8,000 plus position. Again, it's giving you a bailout. It hasn't stopped you out at 58. Let's recap really quickly, guys. Yesterday we did really good. Again, another 20 plus win and 1 loss. KIDZ, I build out. Now it's looking like all sell, but the price is holding. So there is a move. I mean, it may do 224, 223, and then bounce it up. KIDZ is still not done. 100% plus 17 million volume new stock. May drop another 15 cents if you're holding. I am not. I am out. I might have even given him a 1 cent or something like that. So I have some money to make. Very little money, but that's okay. April 30th. Let's recap really quickly what we did, and then we're gonna be done. Whoops, what happened here? And guys who need to check out our website or Discord room, popped right in. What the heck, man? Why is it not opening? It was a fantastic day though. There we go. Meantime, that is looking weak, but I can't say it's really selling. There you go, guys. Yesterday's recap, fabulous day. Turn it up. So this is always in alphabetical order. 12 o'clock, perfect entry, 725, all the way to 665. 9% gain, ABEO. That was too quick, wasn't it? Okay, so ABEO, and you can see these are all the plays. Again, you know, our members are here, they know exactly which ones we played, and these are all the charts. So you got ABVE, perfect entry at 180, and then sell, sell, sell. So first you make your 10%, then remaining you just kind of accumulate. By the time it gets to 140, from 180, that's around 24%, 25%, but you make about 18%. AMIX was perfect. This was pre-market. You guys saw that live yesterday. 30%, but that's not what we make. This is 30%, but 30% is somewhere here, but we make our money here. So that's about 18%. All right, a little more than 18%. FSLR earning, I held it day before, got my 9% gain. Really weird earning season. Nothing is really clean, nothing, because the market is so unstable. Like Microsoft is the only one that I thought it was going to go up and kept going up. Meta, I went short quickly, I went long quickly. I mean, and even after short and long, I made like 3.5%. I mean, last season was so clean. This season, not at all. FSLR 9%. FRGT, look at that. Got in early, you add, you cut your size, this is your profit. Add your profits. If it goes up, you add, and then you cut your size, and then you make your profits. So 34%, pretty good. This was the only one that I actually lost once. So made profit, then a loss here, then made a profit from here to here. There's a loss underneath right here. I got in over here after the profit. There was some size left. Added here, then I had to stop out. 293 was the stop, 263 was the average, and I took a stop loss, then came back at 290 plus 310 or 320 both. Made my average 310, covered it at 288, pretty good, 10%. Jumped in some more, not a big size here, not a big size, but half a size or a 40% size, that's all done. So you jump back in, you add, you cut your size. This is not your profit. Your profit is here, right here. So you suppose you get in at 293 and you're cutting at 260, you get 30%. I mean, sorry, 30 cents, 35 cents. So that's your profit. Again, this was pretty good. Lost the size, cut your size. This was a little bit of an accident, so I added a little bit more, and then the real profit, right there. And this is 22%, but in reality, what we made is about 14%. Okay, we did not make 22%, somewhere around 14, 13%, but overall, 65% even after a stop loss. That was the only stop loss in the entire day. Look at this. I couldn't be more proud of JFBR. Z-car is moving again, for the God's sake. What is it trying to do? 930 and 970 probably will have to be added here, because I actually added 700 shares at shit. It's at 970 now. That's my final add area. Okay then. Let me recap it pretty quick, guys. This is going crazy now. With the smallest of candles. Should come down 970. 1080 got to be the stop. Right now I have gotten my average to 940. Oh my god, this is... And I've gotten back with the 2,000 shares as well.
HOG, that's
I have like another 800 shares more to add. I'm just going to go ahead and add it.
Arrow 20.
Right here. Just go ahead, add it at 10, 10, 20, 10, 10. Just add it. And then get your average. My average is only moved to 956 at this point. So 956 to 1080. Here we go. There's a size cut. Nice. Come on. Come on. Yes. Got the freaking size here. Okay, it looks like under control now. Now I can actually add on the higher side. I hope not. Let's hope it just drops just before market opens. Man, this is... I'm not getting it right. I'm playing it from the bottom because I ended up adding 890 earlier, and now I've made my average to 956. I give them 10 cents as a loss. Cut my size at 68. It's at 68 right now. I am in with half a size, which is about 1,600 shares. But I do want to take it at 910. If it drops to 910 and 990, that's what I'll be done with. Come on. Anyway, guys, so JFBR was the only one with the loss. JTI, almost all the time it pays one entry, 10% plus, 15% plus, another one, 15% plus. There's 958. I'll take another 500 shares out. So another one was OMH. OMH, we never took a loss. We took, again, profit. Then again, you take a size cut, but then this is a profit. Then third one, again, a profit. So three shorts, again, you can zoom in. And you go in this area, you add, you size cut, you take profit. Again, comes to the same area, you start adding. Over here, you take a stop out. At this point, there's no more room. So, you know, whatever, right? So this is a size cut. But then it comes over here and you add here. Now you can take profit here. So that's an awesome profit. Then again, comes back, you add, you have a little more ability to add. You have probably in with the 70% size. You cut a profit, and then real profits are right here. So 3 out of 3. You can see this. Again, first thing to do is mitigate your risk, right? I am all out of ZCAR, guys. Actually, I did not realize that I actually put all out at 48. I was trying to cut some size. Freaking, I got all out of ZCAR. Stupid crap. Take a look. I'm playing very poorly on ZCAR. I know it's going to do 890 and then whatever, but I'm playing it very poorly. But in money though, almost $3 in money. And again, that's exactly what's going to be, $3 in money. Not losing it though. Not prepared to lose anything. And plus it's market time, so I'm okay. I don't want to jump back in or anything. That's when I got out. I accidentally got all out. Never mind. RGLS. This was a $7 acquisition and the stock was at 8 plus. It never dropped. It still hasn't dropped. It's a $7 price targets people are buying this company at, and the stock is still staying at 8. Doesn't make sense. But we made our 40. What is it? 825 to 765, and it was good enough one time. STS is perfect drop, perfect everything, 20%, but then we make only 12% of it. There's your 930. I would have made money on it on Zcar. ULY day 2 was a nice one. This was the WW. We're still holding. Okay, it was a good idea to walk out of kids, guys. It was a good idea to walk out of kids. It would have taken your stop. I don't know how many people in my room got in, got out. If you're holding, I am not. I am out. I am not in kids. I am not in Zcar. I'm not in anything other than the longs, Nvidias and WWs and NVNI and all that. 200% gainer, 36 to 105. FSLR held the earning. I told you guys about that. Hood, this was, look at this. I didn't make any money. You know, I went long, sold it. I went short, build out. Literally, I mean, this is just no money whatsoever. That's why I said this earnings season is absolutely weird. Meta, same thing. Went short, made money, went long, made money, but altogether 4%. I left 12%, 14% on earnings in like less than 1 minute or 2 minutes, and I walk away with it. Not happening this season. Snap was good. You guys know about that. So I picked up a Snap. Take a look where Snap is right now. So Snap is 3% in money right now. Snap was 806. I picked it up at 760s. I was planning. I told everybody in the room that we're gonna pick it up. This is current Snap. I picked it up. It's 4% in money. It was 5% in money. I'll sell it when it gets to like 9 something. From 740 is the right area to pick up a Snap in your swing account. But this was good. Wolf is another one that I have picked it up. You can find out where Wolf is right now. Wolf is exactly where we picked it up, 360. My average is 358. And that's exactly where it is. Hasn't moved yet. And that's it, guys. So wrap up for our stuff. Like I said, bailed out of Zcar accidentally, but that's okay. Seems to be a good idea. Please like, share our channel. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice Thursday trading. If you want to join us again on our Discord or tomorrow.